Everyone, welcome in. It's Andrew with Apex Cards. I wanted to show you a little bit of Kronocard Pro. This is the UI side. This is where you do kind of the final steps before you actually list a card to eBay with Kronocard. So I've got let's see here, about 30 cards, 28 cards scanned in. And these cards have already been ran through the Kronocard AI system. So I scanned in all of these baseball cards. They happen to all be Albert Bell cards, Albert Bell inserts mainly. And I ran them through, scanned them in, then asked the Kronocard AI to identify them. And that's the step I'm at right now. So the next step is you have to come in here, verify that the AI correctly identified them, and then you've got to decide a price. This is a perfect time to show you this because if you're interested in Kronocard, it's important to understand how well the AI works, which you're going to see some shortcomings of it here, and some of the quirks of it here. And this is kind of the last manual step that you have to take before you can list some cards on eBay. When you're listing a large quantity of cards, it's not, evident looking at a card exactly what the name of that card is. Sometimes it's even hard to find the number. For example, this card is a 1 of 12. So what are you going to do? Type in Albert Bell 12 on eBay or on COMC? It can be a little difficult. So that's why the AI is helpful. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do this process. So first of all, I'm on a Mac right now, but I'm using a program called TeamViewer to remote into my Windows laptop, which is just a cheap Amazon Windows laptop. Its sole purpose is to run Kronocard. I hate Windows machines, so I'm running. I use a Mac, and I've got 3 screens up. I work on a computer all day, so this is the place I prefer to be and the machine I prefer to use. So in order to use Kronocard, I use this remote desktop software. So anyway, let's get into this here. So I went ahead and did the first card because I was just going to do it, and then I realized, wow, I should probably record this so everyone can see on the YouTube channel how this is done and how well this the AI works. So anyway, the cards are scanned in, and I'm now editing these 28 cards. And you can see that the AI literally had no idea about some of them. If there's just a blank row, that means that the AI could not figure out what the card was, couldn't even figure out what the player was or the number. It literally could not make a guess to what it was. So what I always do, even before I use the AI, I always use comc.com. So on a separate screen, I've got COMC over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Albert Bell. And let's just go right here to the second card and try to work through this here. So one thing I like to do is change these to 33 here. So how large the card is. This allows me to zoom into the card, which we're going to need to be able to do at some point to see the number or to see the year or something like that. So I go ahead and change these two to 33. So anyway, this one was identified by the AI, and the AI believes it's a 1996 Fleer Ultra RBI Kings, which would be an insert set of Albert Bell, Cleveland Indians, and it's supposed to be number 2. So I think it got this one correct. So over here on COMC, I'm going to type in Albert Bell 2 Fleer Ultra and see if this card pops up. And I found that it does. It does pop up. There is looks like there's 2 variations. There's one that is a gold medallion, which you can see the stamp right there, and there's one that's not a gold medallion. There's no stamp here. So I believe that my card is not the gold medallion. That's right. But everything else looks correct. Now, Kronocard will name these Ultra Diamond producers. I like to put the word Fleer in here. I like to have the brand of the card in the title, and this field here will go into the title. So this is not a very valuable card. My minimum price on eBay is $2.99, so we're just going to put in $2.99. And it is an insert, so I'm going to mark it as an insert. This also will fill into the title. Okay, so it says this one is GF4. That looks to be correct. So again, over on COMC, I've got Albert Bell already typed. I'm just going to type GF4. And so I use COMC to figure out like what are people on COMC pricing this card at. And so in this particular case, here it is. They've got it priced at $224. So I usually add $3 to whatever I see on COMC. So I'm going to go $4.99 for this card. Because COMC, even though they do sell on eBay, they add $5 in tax. So I'll still be priced lower than COMC for this exact card. So it says it's a 1996 Upper Deck Game Face, GF4, Cleveland Indians, Albert Bell. All of this is correct, and it is an insert. So next, let's try to go fast here. Okay, so this is a pretty cool die cut right here. So HC5 is what Kronocard thinks, and COMC concurs. That is the same card. We're going to also hit it with $4.99. And now this is a die cut insert. Okay. HC5 looks correct. It's called Upper Deck Hot Commodities. Let's see how the AI got it perfectly. All right, let's go to, so this one thinks it's Albert. So now the AI thinks this is numbered 17. We can see that it's not. It's numbered PD1. So it has made a mistake here. So on COMC, I'm going to type in Albert Bell PD1. And so it got nothing right about this card. So this is why you have to check these things, because this AI is not, sometimes it's a little dumb. So we're just going to delete all this out. This is actually an Upper Deck insert called Power Driven. Upper Deck Power Driven. Yes, Cleveland Indians. And it's actually PD1 is the number. PD1. And it's priced on COMC at $7, so we're going to go $9.99 on this sucker. Fairly rare insert, or at least there's only one on COMC, and that's the price. Let's move right along. So there you go. You can see that it is not perfect. You have to check these things. You can't just run the AI and publish the damn card. You're going to be in trouble. So it thinks that this one is numbered R1, and this is correct. It is from 1996, and it's called Upper Deck Predictions Retail Predictor. So this is correct. COMC has got it at $3. I'm going to go $5.99 on it, and it is an insert. Here's another die cut here. So this RP1 looks like Kronocard got this right. RP1 on COMC. It is an Upper Deck 1996 Run Producers. All looks good. On COMC's got it for about $3. We're going to go $5.99 on this sucker too. Zenith Diamond. All right. Let's cross-reference that with COMC. Okay, so 1996 Pinnacle. I'm going to add the word Pinnacle in here. It is Pinnacle Zenith Diamond Club. Pinnacle Zenith Diamond Club, Cleveland Indians, Albert Bell. It is number 1. This card is pretty cool because in some of these cards they would mount a diamond, a real diamond right here. This, of course, is not the actual diamond parallel, but that was a thing. So pretty cool. And COMC's got this card for $1.20, so I'm gonna do $3.99 on this card. Okay, so this one they did not identify at all. And now this is a metal card, like literally made out of metal, and it's number 68. So I believe that Kronocard uses some type of OCR, which is ocular character recognition, and it will literally read the back of this card and look for numbers, and it could not see this 68. And you can see why, because it's a weird cursive writing, so it probably can't read any of this text. And the scan was kind of bad, so it had a tough time there as well. But we're going to go ahead and just manually enter this sucker. So the name of this card is actually, it is a 1996 Leaf Preferred, and the team, yes, is Cleveland Indians. And you can right click and it will help you pre-fill options here. It's number 68. It is of Albert Bell. And on COMC, it's 87 cents. So we're just going to $2.99 on this card. Very inexpensive card. Probably because it's made of metal and just kind of annoying to store. Okay, so here's another die cut. Hold on, let's go back up to this die cut. And we'll call it a die cut insert. This is just an insert. This is also an insert. And this is going to be a die cut insert. and it thinks that this is Ray Ordonez. It is obviously not. This is Albert Bell, of course. So let's go ahead and it's going to be number 1 steel power. So I had to type in Albert Bell 1 steel power over here on COMC. It is not on COMC. The die cut is not, so I'm having to look at sold out and see if it has appeared. I don't see this die cut appearing. Oh, it's not a die cut. I just had a weird weird angle on it. Never mind. This is just an insert. Okay. So let's fix this. This needs to be Albert Bell. This needs to be Cleveland Indians. This is also a Leaf Preferred. Leaf Preferred, and it's from 1996, 1995. 1996, Cleveland Indians, Albert Bell. It is number 1, and it is serial numbered. So we're going to put /5000 right here. That's where you put the serial number in the serial numbered column. And the price on this out of 5,000, it is sold out. Oh, it's an insert called Steel Power. And it's a promo. Apparently the promos were numbered. And the last sales price was, let's just call it $9.99 because there's no good pricing information on this card. Okay, number 44. All right, 1996. I'm going to put Fleer in the title. Fleer Metal Universe. It looks correct. And this is a $2 card. $2.99. Okay, it had no idea what this was, probably because it's very difficult to see this 1 right here. Okay, Albert Bell, Heavy Metal 1. Okay, I found this card. It's 1996 as well. Fleer Metal Universe. There we go. And it is an insert called Heavy Metal. We're going to go Cleveland Indians. It's number 1. Albert Bell. Insert. Was this an insert? No, it wasn't. That was a base card. Okay. This is a cheap card as well. $2.99. All right. Next in the list here. Albert Bell 1. This is going to be a little difficult. 1996 Fleer. It's a Fleer Metal. You can see bad scan on this one, unfortunately. Albert Bell 1 Fleer Metal 1996. Let's see if we can see it pop up. Yep, found it over here on COMC. So 1996 Fleer Metal Universe. And this one's called Titanium. Titanium insert. Cleveland Indians, number 1. Albert Bell. Also a $2.99 card, and it is an insert. Okay, next, Albert Bell 307. Oop, nope. It's not, it's P-94. So you can see the AI, you got to double check this damn AI. P-94 is the number of this card. And it thinks it's 1996 Pacific Crown Collection. It's actually 1996 Pacific Prisms is what the name of this set is. Pacific Prisms. It is Albert Bell. It's P94. And I don't believe this is the gold card. This is going to be a $2.99 as well. So it believes this one is FB1. You can see that is correct there. FB-1. It's also Pacific Prisms. It got it right, and it is a Fence Busters 1996. All of this is correct. This is a $3.99 card, and it is an insert. Both of these were inserts. So this is Albert Bell 13. The AI has no idea what this sucker is. Something like Essence of the Game, I would assume. Yes. This is 1996 Pinnacle. Pinnacle insert, so it's called Essence of the game. And it's going to be Cleveland Indians, Albert Bell, number 13. And it's also a $3.99 card. And it is an insert. Okay, next, it's got the numbering wrong on this. Albert Bell 13, Pinnacle Power. Okay, I found it on COMC. This is actually 1996 Pinnacle. Wrong team. Needs to be Cleveland Indians, Albert Bell, number 13. And it is a $2.99 card. It also is an insert. All right, Albert Bell, number 6, looking on COMC again. Looks like it's called Slugfest. I'm going to alter my search a bit. It's sold out on COMC. Ooh, it sold up to last sold was $10. So nice little card here, but it has got it wrong. So this is 1996 Pinnacle as well. Pinnacle Slugfest. Cleveland Indians, Albert Bell. It's number 6, not number 9. And this is, we're going to price this $9.99. And it is, of course, an insert. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to finish up this this video. I try not to make this video too long because it, when I'm talking and doing this, it takes me a little longer than normal to do this. But I don't want to make like a 30-minute video for each one of these. So I'll maybe do a few more and then in the video. But you get the idea of how this is done. You have to check everything somewhere. And I use COMC because their database of cards is so vast. And they have these rare inserts in there. So this card is that you're looking at here is also 1996 Pinnacle. It's Team Pinnacle is the insert set. Cleveland Indians, number 7. Albert Bell. It's of course got Sammy Sosa. Apparently it's got Sammy Sosa on one side of it as well. Right here. So that's interesting. But we're just going to go Albert Bell on this card. We're going to go $4.99. And it is an insert. Next on the list. Okay. Doesn't know what this one is. Team Spirit. So again, 1996 Pinnacle. Team Spirit. Cleveland Indians, Albert Bell. This is number 9. And we're going to go $3.99 on this card. Pinnacle Aficionado, number 7. This is actually a wooden card, which is pretty cool. Got this one 100% right. Very nice. We're going to go $3.99 on it. All of these are inserts. Let's go to 21 here. Okay. Score Diamond Aces. Is that what this is called? Sure is. Got this one right. We're going to go $4.99 on this one. This one is number 59. So when the AI is working well, you can move quickly with these. So 1996 Score Dugout Collection Series 1. Yeah, that's exactly what this card is. Number 59. Yep. Okay. It's a $2.99er. Here's an Albert Bell 12. It thinks it's called Score Reflections. It's probably exactly what it's called. Yep. Mike Piazza and Albert Bell. I'm just going to go Albert Bell. Cleveland Indians. And this is a valuable card here, so this is going to be about an $8.99 card. Let's see, how many more? Oh, we only got a few more, so we'll just go on through. So one Titanic. So it thinks it scored Titanic Tatters? Score Titanic Tatters, maybe? And it's got this one correct. We're going to go $3.99 on this card. It is an insert as well. This is 24 here. Dang, this is a valuable card as well. Select Certified Interleague Preview. Yeah, it nailed this one. Cleveland Indians 20. It's actually 24 is the number. Kenny Lofton, Brian Hunter. Got that wrong. It's actually Barry Larkin, Albert Bell. We're just going to go Albert Bell. And we're going to price this at $9.99. Color and insert. All right, what's next here? 233. Got that number wrong. 8. Change this to 8. So this is in Fuego. This needs to be 1996 Select. You were way off. Select in Fuego. It is Albert Bell. This is a valuable card as well. We're going to go $9.99 with it. Nice little insert here. And then this one, it thinks it's MM1. I believe that's right. Or MM11 rather. MM11. It's the blue. SP Marquee Matchups blue. Yep. MM11. It's a cheap card, $2.99. The red. You want the red, by the way. It's a die cut. In case you were curious. So this is an insert. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now what do? You're basically done at this point. You go to the status column, you right click it, you put eBay fixed price, you save, list/modify cards on eBay, and that's it. It will list them within the next 30 seconds. And all of those cards are now live on my eBay store. So anyway, I thought you guys might enjoy that and take a look at the AI. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I think I answered a number of questions that you guys had on the other video. So let me know how it goes, everyone. Appreciate you. Bye.